Hi everyone, here we are going to see about the unit 2 continuation. In this presentation we are going to see about what is stress management, what are the stresses are available, and how we have to make tips to avoid the harmful stresses in our daily life. Let me see one by one. So the first thing is that the employees will engagement survey in May or June 2008. So 8 corporate strategies were developed to address the concerns. So one strategy which is related to increasing the workload and expectations. So working committee was established and has launched some initiatives. So deputy minister panel, that is for supervisor and managers, and tips and tools workshops, that is time management, technology etiquette, BlackBerry 101, stress management, and group wise tips. So the employees will engagement website and has been launched by the PSC. So this is the main background that has been occurred for stresses. So employee engagement website. So what are the employee engagements are occurred means, first we have to career plan the employees. So after planning the process, we have to go for the communicating process. So in communicating, we have to well at the work that is coming, whatever the works are coming. So we have to well analyze it. Next we are going for the managing work. So in the managing work, we will analyze the managers to make a predictable manner. So that will be very useful for all to enrich them works. After that we are going for a learning through feedback. That is, they have a performance discussion. Through the feedback levels we can discuss more about the employee details. What are the advantages and disadvantages have been occurred. After that we go for suggestion and feedback. When there is a suggestion means we have to get back their suggestions, and we have to resolve all the issues whatever occurs in the companies. So then they have given to the mentor program. So the mentors will arrange the programs and they enable the engagements. So next from that we have learn more about every details. After that we are going for employee survey results and corporate auctions. Completing all these things, we are going for the government orientation to get an approval for this employee engagement websites. So these are the things we have to follow in our life. Next is the managing work. So the managing works will choose the tips and tools. So here we are having the group wise tips. So that is the first thing will be the BlackBerry. So BlackBerry 101. So here we are getting the managing works. So next is the stress management. After that stress management we are going for the technology etiquette. So technologies have been increased related to their etiquette levels. So then we have to analyze the time management in all the works. So the time management is very very important. So that will reduce the stress management in every person. Next, what is stress? So the stress means that is, it is a emotional and physical strains that has been caused by our response to the pressures from outside the world. So stress is very very important in our life. So when any emotional things we have got means, we have to release that stresses from the mind. That then only we can be backward to work from the other processing. So we have to get a response from the outside world also. So this leads to the stresses. Next, stress is also a necessary part of our daily lives, and it is defined as anything that will stimulate us to act, think, or react. So simple or extreme levels of stresses will be followed. So here the necessary in order to force the accomplishments of a certain task occurs in the stresses. So without stress our bodies would not react at all. So even in the time of extreme dangers, the stress is very important. So stress will be related to the part that is focusing on the certain task and levels. So here we are having data that is without the stress our bodies will react at everything. Next, stress. So the stress can either help us with the challenges and also the problems, whatever makes them many times worse. So the effect of the stresses will have depends on how we can handle the situation and how we have to view the situation. So everything will be comes over under this stress. So handling stress will depends on us, that is recognizing the stress, understanding where it is coming from, and understanding our stress management options. So these are the things which have been occurred in the stress management of our life. Next, what happens, it is not an important how we have to react with what happens. That is says by Thaddeus Goals. So he have react how to what happens when determines the impact on our health. So it also appears from the various statistics that we have been reacting from very serious to the stresses. Next, quick facts. So more than 6 in 10 Canadians reported that they are experiencing a great deal of stress on the job. So that is US 1/3 considered as a quitting due to the stress, and the annual cost in Canada of work time lost to the stress is calculated at $12 billion. So US $300 billion will spend annually on the stress which is related to the issues. So 40% of the job turnover is due to stress. So this is mainly for the quick facts that have been occurred in the companies. So absenteeism due to the stress has been increased by over 300% since 1995. Next, sources of stress may include pace, variety, meaningfulness of work, and the workload overload, that is underload. Role conflict, that is conflicting job demands multiple supervisors or managers. Career development opportunities, role ambiguity, that is the lack of clarity about the responsibilities, expectations, etc. So these sources have been included in the stress that will be followed from one person to another during the organization level, and they will analyze their stress management process. Sources of stress may also include balancing the home and work life. So for example, we can say that when you are working in a work from home means if there is your family, if they give any work or doing anything means at that time if you can't do that work means they will shout it. So that will make you more stressed. So in this work as well as in the home, both of them will be balancing stresses. So we have to balance both of the stresses. So that will lead your life in a peaceful manner. Otherwise, it will be make you more stresses, and it will be leads to some of the issues occurs in your life. So what are the signs of stress? Tension, irritability, inability to concentrate, feeling excessively tired, trouble sleeping. When you are sleeping in the night or any time means in your mind some of the works or issues will be going on. So on thinking about that your sleeping will be get trouble, and also you when you work so much of efforts means that will make you more tired. So this will leads to your stress management and inability to concentrate in other works. So these all the things will be comes under the signs of stresses. Increased blood pressure. So due to the stresses your blood pressure will be increased sometimes, and also there will be some breathing problems will be occurred. Stomach upset, sweating palms. So these all things will be occurred, and also your muscles will be get tight due to the pain and trembling. So these are the signs that have been occurred for the stresses. Next, what stress may look like means that is the stresses will causes us to reveal the world. So we have to self without the rather than keeping the hidden. So motivational thing will be very very important for these stresses. So when anyone motivate you for about the stresses means you can improve your motivational skills. High stress levels can lead to chronic health problems including cardiovascular disease, musculoskeletal disorders, physiological, psychological disorders, everything. So these chronic health problems will be makes the high stress levels. So to cure this, we have to make ourselves as a peaceful manner. Next, wellness works, that is a new referrals, that is by diagnostic category, that is January to July 2009. So the civil and health sectors have been included. So this will be having a so in January, in every month there is a musculoskeletal referrals works. So next is the nervous system, nutritional, metabolic and immunity, mental health, ill-defined conditions. All things will be vary from monthly metrics. So this will given the wellness works on your diagnostic categories. This is the LTD claims, that is distribution by the diagnosis, which is having the civil and the health sectors. So here we have mentioned the top diagnosis types, that is claim counts. So open claims and closed claims. So when we are comparing this, the open claims from July 2008 to July 2009. So these have mental disorders, musculoskeletal and connective tissues, accidents and injury, cancer, nervous system and sensory organs, circulatory system, others, symptoms and three defined conditions, endocrine, metabolic and immunity levels. All these claims will be occurs in the distribution of the diagnosis level. So both civil as well as health sectors will be based on this. They will provide a chart preparation.